Hi guys, welcome to Simopedia channel. This is a quick video about how to fix your video can't fit into Camtasia Studio. You are always losing some important parts of your video. I'm going to show you easy fix. Follow the explanation and thanks for watching. So now I am in Camtasia Studio. I'm trying to fit this video into Camtasia Studio, but I always lose some part of that video, and I am not willing to lose any part of the video. So this is a really serious problem that it could happen to you in Camtasia Studio. So to fix this problem, just press the shift button in your keyboard. Just keep pressing shift button, and then you move the video, and then it's going to move without any problem and without losing any part of the video. So this is a simple trick that I'm willing to share with you guys to fix this problem, and it could really help you. So guys, if you find this video useful for you, please subscribe to my channel to support me, and if you have any more questions, just leave them in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching.